Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My today's video is a very bit different from all the other videos which I generally make on my channel. It is not any health informational video, but it is a get to know me video. My channel has already completed a year on YouTube and I have realized that I have never made such a video which can help you to know me more and in a better manner. And that is why I have come up with today's video so that you can connect with me better. So I have selected a few questions which I will be answering so that I can share with you all about me in greater detail. I really hope that you all will enjoy this video and you will like it. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any latest videos from my channel. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Like I said, I have shortlisted few questions for this get to know me video which I will be answering today. So the first question is, what is your name and where are you from? So many of you may have known by now that my name is Surangna Jain and I was born in Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. So basically I am from UP in India. The second question is, where do you currently live? So I am currently living in Dubai in UAE and it has been 5.5 months that I moved here. Third question is, what is your qualification and what do you currently do? So if many of you do not know, I have done a PhD in food science and technology and currently I'm not working. So like I told you all, it has been 5.5 months that I moved here. So I'm just adjusting with this new place and also looking for jobs side by side. But currently I keep myself busy by making informational videos for all of you relating to healthy living and following a healthy lifestyle, so that we all can follow a healthy lifestyle and it can lead to good health. Also, there are many other things which I'm working on which are currently in the pipeline and you all will eventually know about it when the right time comes. So keep following me so that you do not miss these updates and also keep giving all your love like you always do. The fourth question is, are you married? So yes, I'm married and I've been married for the past 6 years. The fifth question is, what is your favorite food? So if you talk about my favorite food, my go-to food always and always is Rajma Chawal. But other than that, I also like eating Moong Dal Chila, Bhindi ki sabji and Kari Chawal. So these all are my favorite foods. But my favorite food will always be Rajma Chawal. So if you talk about favorite food, you can say that they are my favorite cuisines after Indian food. So I like eating Thai food and I also like eating Italian food. So the next question is, what is your favorite color? So my favorite color is pink and I do not know why, but I like all shades of pink. So whatever shade of pink it is, I really like it and it is my favorite color. So the next question is, what are your hobbies? So if you talk about my hobbies, I really like reading books. The current book which I'm reading right now is What Got You Here Will Not Get You There. And I'm currently reading it and I will surely let you know how the book is. Other than reading books, I also like listening to music and dancing. One thing which many of you may not know is that I'm a trained classical dancer and I have learned Kathak dance for 4 years. Whenever I feel low or whenever I feel stressed, one of the biggest stress busters for me is listening to music and dancing. The next question is, what is your one good habit and one bad habit? So if you talk about a good habit, I think that I'm a fast learner. That is one good habit about me. So whenever I am faced with something new or if I experience problems or challenges in something which I'm doing, I'm able to overcome it by learning it, either with the help of Google or basically by talking with people who have more knowledge and experience about it. And so I can say that this is one good habit about me. If you talk about a bad habit, I would say that the biggest bad habit which I have is sometimes, despite everything, I end up going in a self-doubt mode and that is not very good. So I start doubting myself many times. That also leads to lack of confidence levels and also I'm not able to do what I need to do. And this brings in inconsistencies in a daily routine which I have set in my life or a healthy routine which I have set into my life. And this is something which I am working on and I still need to work on to get rid of it. So you can say this is my bad habit. The next question is, which apps do you use the most? So in general, the apps which I use the most are Instagram and YouTube. And also, as you know, because of the coronavirus pandemic, things have become more easier and many things can be easily delivered at home through online delivery. So generally, other than Instagram and YouTube, I'm using online delivery apps for either ordering groceries or home related items or food sometimes at home. So the apps generally used are Amazon, Noon or Zomato. The next question is, if you could advise your younger self, what would it be? So if I could really advise my younger self, I would actually like to give it 2 advices. So the first advice I would like to give my younger self is not to take things so seriously that you're always so stressed and anxious about it. So I used to stress and be anxious over every small thing in my life. I used to take everything so seriously and I used to be always tensed about it. So I would just like to advise my younger self to just go with the flow and also relax sometimes, because stressing and taking tension for every small thing in your life is not going to help you in any way. And the second thing I would like to advise my younger self is to be more physically active and adopt more healthy eating in your life, because that is key to live a good and healthy and happy life. And so that is also one thing which I would like to advise to my younger self. The next question is, who is your favorite YouTuber? If you talk about my favorite YouTuber is, of course, with no doubt, Saloni Srivastava, who's also my mentor and who's helping and motivating so many of us to do something for ourselves and to let go of our inhibitions and overcome all challenges that we face. And other than her, my favorite YouTuber is Your Food Lab and Dance with Deepti. The next question is, why did you start a YouTube channel and what is the vision for your channel? The reason why I started a YouTube channel was to make informational videos relating to healthy living, nutritious foods, and also inner peace and mental health, about which it is very important to know so that we can follow a healthy lifestyle. So my main goal was to basically instill awareness and also increase motivation in people so that they also can follow a healthy lifestyle. There are many people who are not aware about certain healthy living habits, or they are not aware about the nutritional aspects of food, and to increase knowledge and awareness among them, I started with my YouTube channel. So we all know by now that healthy living is key to live a good life. And that is also the vision for my channel, that more and more people realize and focus more on their health aspects, because that is very important if you want to live a good and happy life. So if you're someone who wants to improve your overall health and you want to adopt a healthy lifestyle, or if you're someone who's struggling to stay fit and are seeking knowledge and guidance about healthy living and healthy eating habits, or the nutritional aspects of food, or you want to become more positive in life, then you should surely subscribe to my channel. And I can assure you that you will not be disappointed. So the last question for today is, how did you start a YouTube channel? So starting a YouTube channel was never in my mind. I never ever thought of starting a YouTube channel. But I wanted to increase awareness among people and I wanted to motivate people to follow a healthy lifestyle. And for that, I needed a platform. Writing has always been my passion, and that is why I started, and I still write blogs about healthy living, healthy eating, and inner peace. If you want to read my blogs, you can find this link in the description box below. So I was writing blogs. But then my husband told me that if you want to increase more reach, you should start making videos on YouTube. And I was not at all confident. I'm an introvert, I'm camera conscious, and I could never imagine myself sitting in front of the camera and recording videos and making videos for people and talking so much. But his motivation and his confidence in me and his support pushed me to do that, and that has led me to start my YouTube channel. So I really want to thank him for the support he has given me, because of whom I actually started with this YouTube channel. And I'm here in front of you actually talking, speaking and sharing knowledge. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And you can also comment below to share your thoughts or any other questions you would like me to answer, or any other thing. Always love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.